Not all rugs are created equal. As with any product, Oriental rugs are produced in a wide range of qualities. Quality is determined by materials, execution of the weavers, and the beauty of the finished product. Weavers may use a variety of materials for the pile, including wool, cotton, nylon, rayon, silk, and various other plant fibers. Wool and silk come in a variety of grades from coarse to fine, so selection of materials is important in determining the quality of a rug. The execution of the design and beauty of the final product are central components of quality. Weaving can vary from poor to excellent. You can tell a well-woven rug because the design will be symmetrical, and the back of the carpet will show even parallel lines of knots at the same size. In addition, the rug will be square when folded on itself, will have an even pile height, and will lie flat on the floor. To achieve a beautiful final product, color selection is key. Colors should be harmonious and complementary, and dyes should be fixed so there will be no bleeding of one color into another.